Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you're probably curious about how to make Jeow Mak Len. I will show you that it's really easy to make this and it's super delicious too. In this clip here, this is basically your mise en place or your ingredients that you will need in order to make the Jeow Mak Len. You have tomatoes, shallots, garlic, and peppers. This is going to be all roasted and it's going to give the caramelization flavor and such a great aroma that you're looking for. This is going to be so satisfying to your taste buds, trust me guys. On top of the 14 green chili peppers that I'm adding into the Jeow Mak Len, I'm also going to add another 2 of the dried kinds just to make it spicier. You will also need padaek, but if you don't have the homemade version, then you can use this as a substitute instead. This is a pretty popular brand, and you can find it at almost any Asian market. You're also going to need a really good fish sauce for your jeow. This is just my favorite brand here. You guys know that if you've been on my channel already, but if you haven't, let me introduce you to this. As for the method of preparation, this is pretty easy because everything you're going to be doing in order to make the Jeow Mak Len would be just smashing it. Smashing all of the ingredients that I showed you guys previously. I just start with the chilies first and then the garlic. So basically I'm starting with the smallest ingredients first and then moving up to the bigger ones. As you can see, I started with the dried peppers and then the fresh peppers. And I'm doing this in a mortar and pestle. A lot of people will do this in a blender or a food processor, which I'm not knocking at all. You can definitely do that if it makes it easier for you. However, I'm just going to start it off using a mortar and pestle because that's the way my grandma made it and her grandma and so on and so forth. The peppers and the garlic just needs to be smashed up really well, but after that, the shallots and the tomatoes can be a chunky consistency if that's what you like, so that doesn't require that much smashing, or you can do it for a very long time for it to come out a little bit thinner. It just depends on your preference and how you think you would like this. There's not really a wrong or right way for doing this as long as you got the main basic ingredients for your jeow. Towards the very end, when you're almost complete with your final product, that's when I basically like to add my fish sauce and padaek. This is the consistency that came out after I smashed it for a few minutes. You can also add MSG into this. This is optional though. Adding cilantro adds a nice touch to your jeow if you would like that also. I know some people say the stuff tastes like soap, but I personally love it, so that's why I'm adding it into mine. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I did end up using a blender to pulse it up a little bit, even though I tried to tough it out with the mortar and pestle. It's just that the shallot skins and the tomato skins were still not the way that I wanted. I just wanted to add a little finishing touch to make it perfect. This is basically how I made my jeow bong. It came out so good. You guys should try it out for yourself, and if you like this video, please check out my other ones.